Hey there, hunters! Welcome back. Today I'm reviewing the Nationwide Sense Deer Grunt Call. Now, if you're into deer hunting like I am, you know how important it is to have the right grunt call. And after using this for a couple of hunts, I'm excited to share my honest thoughts about it. First off, let's talk about the build. This thing feels solid in your hands. It's crafted from premium cherry wood and it has a custom design along the tube. This buck grunt call features an extra long grunt tube for deep, realistic sounds that carry across distances, perfect for attracting bucks during the rut. And I gotta say, I love the adjustable tone feature. With just a twist, you can go from deep, mature buck grunt to a higher pitched young buck or doe bleat. It's super easy to adjust to, which is a game changer in the field. You don't need to fiddle with multiple calls, this one does it all. A lot of grunt calls don't offer that flexibility. I've tried others that either sound too weak or break after a couple of seasons, but this one really stands out in terms of both sound and quality. Now, let's talk about why this call is better than other brands. Nationwide Sense has been in the scent hunting business for over 30 years, so they know deer behavior inside and out. This grunt call is designed to mimic natural deer sounds as accurately as possible, which is key when you're trying to draw in that trophy buck. What I like most is how realistic it sounds. Some calls sound too artificial, but this one, it's got a rich tone that really mimics a buck's natural vocalization. Plus, it's versatile for all phases of the rut, from early season to peak rut. So, why should you get the Nationwide Sense Deer Grunt Call? Well, it's built tough, delivers incredible sound, and it's affordable. For around $45, you're getting a top-notch call that's going to last you for years. If you're serious about your hunting game, this is one tool you'll want in your bag.